Hey guys, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you why I've been loving this wax warmer. This double pot wax heater machine is suitable for your home or for commercial use. I love the fact that the wax melts completely in less than 15 minutes. This can either be can wax, wax block, or beads just like I used here. Having the right temperature in your wax is vital for you to have that perfect waxing experience. This is suitable for the whole body. I totally used it and it did not disappoint me. The wax was not cold or hot. It was just the perfect temperature for it to do its job. I love how removing your hair can be so easy, so fast, and so inexpensive. AOWOSA also packed their wax heater the right way for it to prevent any scratches or damaging it. I love the fact that it has two heating pots, since you can use one for sensitive skin and the other one for regular skin. This also comes with these wax warmer collars, which allows your machine to look nice and clean, and it also comes with these 50 sticks that allows you to do any waxing. I love this machine. I would highly recommend it. I love how efficiently it works, how easy it is to use, and I also like that the cord is long enough for you to use comfortably. So if you're looking for a professional wax warmer, I highly recommend this one, but that's just my point of view.